Wow, so cute brush pen color. Here are 12 shades of color. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I'm going to draw for you a very cute girl. I'm drawing the girl and follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I completed the picture. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. First one I'm using red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Here I'm using light brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want light brown color. Now I'm using dark brown color for shading. Color, which color do you want? I want dark brown color. Light blue color. And now I'm using light pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want light pink color. And the last one I'm using yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Wow, the girl is looking really so cute. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you